Hi everyone, and welcome to Have a Couponer, and today I'm here with a happy birthday Ibotta bonus haul. Apparently it's Ibotta's birthday, and they decided to give us a birthday bonus. $7 back if I did 24 rebates. Now, I knocked out 8 of the rebates on Tuesday, so I just needed 16 more to finish it off. So I did this at Kroger yesterday, this at Walmart yesterday, this at Walmart today, and this at Kroger today. And it was a great little deal. It was a really great deal. Really quickly, please excuse my coupon mess. I am really struggling with coupon organization. It's been a really big struggle lately, and I'm not totally sure what to do. I'm just struggling with clipping is the main thing, getting them clipped. And I'm a person who's always loved having all my coupons with me at all times, but sometimes it's just hard to do that. So I'm trying to figure out where I want to go with coupon organization and what's going to motivate me. I'm still weighing between the box and the binder. I've been doing the box, and while I do believe the box is great, sometimes coupons get lost, and I don't know what I want to do. I don't know. I better figure it out. Because in a couple of weeks, we're going to be having a coupon organization video with the squad group. So, yeah, I better figure it out. But anyways, I've had a lot of people be like, Nick, go to Rite Aid, they're doing this. Go to CVS, they're doing this. Go to Dollar General, they're doing this. You've seen me do some deals from those stores. But right now, I am just focusing on cheapest out-of-pocket possible this month. I really want it to be a moneymaker month. I don't know if it's going to happen, but for me, getting the best out-of-pocket and making money ultimately happens at Walmart and Kroger with Ibotta. The thing is with CVS and Rite Aid, it guzzles tax. Well, Rite Aid, not right now because I have a gift card, but that's not in the point. CVS and Dollar General, tax. For these Ibotta hauls, I work tax in, and if tax doesn't even out, I don't do the deal. So for me, I feel like with the rebates, it just is what works best for me. I really get everything I could ever want with the rebate shopping. I have a huge stockpile. I just gave my cousin a bunch of stuff today. If you click the little eye, or not the eye, if you see it right there in the left, you'll see it. All the stuff I just gave her today, and my basement's still full. I just moved into a new house, so I was like, here, take some stuff. And they took a bunch of stuff. With my permission, of course, but that's what I'm saying. I get everything I really could want. So right now, I'm not going all over creation doing deals. I'm just going to try to focus on Walmart and Kroger. Like this week, I did stop in Family Dollar, and I got the soft soap for $1, which is an awesome deal. And I will do little deals like that, like if CVS has something on sale after coupons. Yeah, but right now, I'm not getting crazy into getting extra bucks and rolling and all that. That's just not where I'm at right now. So let's get into the haul. I just want to give you that little warning. Why is Nick all about these rebates and not the other drugstores? That's why. And so let's talk about Kroger yesterday. I really hit it up awesome. I did the Barilla Ready pasta deal. These are $1 each. I had $1 off coupon, so I paid nothing. But then Savings Star had $1 rebate on too. So I made $1 on these, which is amazing. I also did the top ramen. They're 79 cents. Ibotta has 75 cents back with a limit of 2. So these were 4 cents, and it worked towards my bonus because I chase bonuses. I'm not one of those people who doesn't chase bonuses. To me, and let's talk about the drugstore thing again. People do like to spend, like a Rite Aid this week. Spend 40, get back 20. They're working towards a deal. Well, for me, if I did 16 more rebates, I get back a bonus. So grabbing little things like this, to me, tracks towards the deal. So that's why I get random things like that sometimes. But great to donate at the food pantry. And I know that they are doing a thing. There's a bonus if you do it twice, you get an extra 50 cents. But my Ibotta rebate reset as $1 on 3. So I didn't do it because I'm not going to pay 40 cents for those. I don't like those particularly. Okay, and I did the sweet mornings, the pairing, Starbucks pairing. I'm loving this deal so much. They were free last week, but it's still an insane deal this week. They're $7.99. Okay, so every time I buy one of these, it prints me a $2 Catalina, $2 off any Starbucks pairings coffee coupon every single time. So I had one from last week, so I paid $5.99. Ibotta gave me $1.25 back. So that is like $3.74. Or no, that's not right. $4.74. But then Shopkick app has 40 scan kicks. So if you just go in the store and you scan this, they give you 40 kicks. When you buy it, they give you 900 kicks. So you're getting a total of 940 kicks. So let's pump it up in my calculator, and this is how much you're going to get from Shopkick on that coffee. $3.76. So let's say, so it was $5.99 after the coupon. You're getting $3.76 from Shopkick, and you are getting back $1.25 from Ibotta. So you're getting this for 98 cents, which is a great deal. The bagged coffee is a little bit more because you have, the Ibotta is only $1, but hey, you're getting it for $1.24 and $1. I made overage from this, so all this at Kroger was like $1.20, which is awesome. I am going to be using my calculator tonight because the Shopkick stuff gets confusing, so I got to calculate it out to give you guys an accurate number. Okay, so the Kleenex is 97 cents. Checkout 51 has a rebate for $2 back on any 2 Kleenex bundle packs, and this clearly says it is a bundle pack of 3. So these are free, and it approved me just fine. Okay, the Centrum is $6.76. Had a $4 coupon from, it's a printable, but some of you guys got it in somebody's paper. And then Shopkick is giving us back $800. So you're getting back $320. So technically you're paying $296. You're getting back $320. But with tax, it basically was like 30 cents or something, which I am thrilled with. The Bush's Savory Beans are $1. They have $1 checkout 51 with a limited use. These are totally free. Love that. Okay, the Vaseline. This is $3.12. Had a $2 coupon. I believe it came in 2 weeks ago's insert. Love that deal. This is a great one. I hope it keeps resetting over and over. Okay, and then Shopkick has 300 kicks back on this, which is like getting back $1.20. So you paid $1.12, you're getting back $1.20. Then there also are like 40 skiing kicks, so it's a great little moneymaker on the Vaseline. I like Vaseline, so keep getting it over and over. Okay, next deal, was on the Suave. This is Walmart stuff, by the way. Now today you'll notice I got the trial Suave, but the reason I went ahead and got the full big size Suave is because it actually was a better deal for me to get the full size Suave. Because Fetch Rewards had an offer, get 1,250 points if I did these both together. And that's $1.25. Now, it, of course, didn't pick it up automatically, but I put them in there to review it, and I'm confident they'll give it back. So we actually had an issue like this before, and they fixed it with no problems. So the Guys 12's $1.98. The Suave Professionals is $2.94. It has to be the 18 ounce. It cannot be the regular 12 ounce. It has to be the 18 ounce per Shopkick rebate. Really stupid because they're not all bonus size like this, but you have to make sure you get the bonus size. So that comes to $4.92. Shopkick has back on this. Oh, snap. What is it? I believe it is... Okay, so Fetch has $1.25 back. And then Shopkick actually has back... They have 400 kicks back on each. They have a little bonus. I believe it is $10.50. And you also get 40 skin kicks for each. So you're going to get back $10.90 in kicks. Basically, this is a 69-cent moneymaker for these two, which is an awesome deal. If you have questions about anything, let me know. It's just the Shopkick stuff is a lot to go through. But Shopkick is probably, as of now, besides Ibotta, my favorite rebate app ever. It is so great. I've not had any denials for the last 3 or 4 weeks. They've just been so good lately. So I'm back to using Shopkick like crazy. Okay, I did the Country Crock Plant Butter. $2.98 at Walmart. I had a $1 off coupon. There is a $1 Ibotta, so 98 cents. And then there is a 50-cent Saving Star rebate, so 48 cents. I did find more of the miso broth. So to my Zanesville peeps, this stuff from Thursday was done at the Maple Avenue Walmart. But they're out of this, so don't go for this. 75 cents. I had a $1 checkout 51, so I made a quarter. The Stay Freeze was $2.53. I had a 2-off-2 printable from their site. It was not working on Tuesday, but it's totally working now. So you pay $1.53 each. Ibotta has $1.50 back, so 3 cents plus tax. And then last but not least from Thursday was the Tresemme. And I love this deal on the Tresemme. It cleared, worked just fine. So they're 97 cents each. So you're going to go ahead and snag 2 of them for $1.94. You are going to get back 600 points on Shopkick for buying them both. There's 200 for each, and then you get back an extra 200 points if you buy shampoo and conditioner, and it cleared just fine. So it's a 46-cent moneymaker on the Tresemme. Okay, that's it from Walmart yesterday. Okay, so that was all I did yesterday, and then I went over to the Maysville Pike Walmart today. I would not usually say this, I didn't used to, but there are like so many Zanesville people on here now. If you're a Zanesville person, and you haven't ever told me that, or you just want to remind me, you can let me know in the comments. But there's like at least 5 of you at this point, which I just find insane. I never expected to actually find anybody who lives in this town, let alone actually run into one of them at CVS last week. So yeah, crazy. So awesome. Thank you to Shannon for this deal on the Children's Allegro. So this is all the Maysville Pike South Walmart. $10.78. Had a $5 coupon from the Sunday's paper, so you're going to pay $5.78. Ibotta has $3 back, so that makes it $2.78. Saving Star has up 2 rebates. They have $2 on any Allegra Allergy, which is Allegra Allergy, and $2 on any Allegra Children's. You scan it and it double dips and gives you back $4. So you're going to make like $1 something on this. Now, Maple Walmart does not have this. I don't know why. They do not carry it. South does. So go to South and get this for nothing. Maple Walmart does not have the Visine in stock right now, but Maysville Pike does. $3.24, $1.50 coupon, $1.50 Ibotta. It does really weird things. It says exceeds item amount. And funny reason why. This coupon attaches to legit anything. I scanned the coupon and I got my receipt. It attached to the Crunchmaster, which makes 0 sense because the Visine's in the transaction, but it did not attach to it. So anyways, this made it 24 cents. She had no issue approving it. She just literally hit the approve button. I was going to explain to her, oh, it was $3.24. Nope, she didn't care. Okay. My Maple Walmart did not have these either. The Crunchmaster Rice Crackers. They are over in like the ethnic food area, like where this broth is and all that kind of stuff. And let me give you guys a barcode. I just typed in Crunchmaster and it showed up on my app. That's the barcode. These are on a clearance of 50 cents. Don't ask me why, but that's what they are. 50 cents. They were really hard to see. They were on the bottom shelf. They had a ton of them. And there's a 50-cent Ibotta. So you're going to make, or no, nothing. I didn't have a coupon. There is a $1 off coupon on their site. And you could print that and go in there and get 50 cents of overage and get 50 cents from Ibotta so you make $1. However, I didn't have the coupon. I just paid 50 cents and got the Ibotta. So this is just free for me, but it could have been a moneymaker. All right, and then these Carmex Comfort Care lip balms. It did say Maple had these. I wasn't looking in the right place. These are in the checkout aisle, which is really weird. These are not with the regular Carmex. They're actually in the aisle. The registers, like the main registers at the front. So it has to be the Comfort Care. They're $2.74. Had $1 for my Ibotta and a 75-cent Saving Star. So basically like 99 cents for 2 Carmex. It's very rare we get deals on this stuff anymore, so I went for it. Okay, and then this is at the Maple Walmart. This is definitely not on clearance, but I did find it at the South Walmart. They are $2. There's a printable. I did not have it. It was a total unexpected deal. I just wanted it to finish off my bonus. So I got $1 for my Ibotta, so these boogie wipes were $1. But if you have that printable, you get these for free. So check your Walmart for that. Okay, and then there are repeats. I did the swab deal again. Today I just got the little trial swab because I did not need to get the big swab because I already did the fetch. So if I was not doing the fetch, I was just getting the regular swab. And I forgot to say, like, for the Vaseline and the swab and stuff, you can do the scan kicks on them as well, and you'll get those kicks back, which is awesome. So that was a good deal on the little trial swab. Basically made it like free or something like that. I'm pretty happy with it. Vaseline and Tresemme. And then this is the only new deal. The Ore-Ida French fries are $1.06. Savings Star has $1 off rebate for any Ore-Ida frozen potatoes. So it makes these 6 cents. Let's talk Kroger. I'm not done. Why did I say I was done? I have Kroger from today. This is one of the best deals ever. So the Cracker Barrel pairing boards are $2.99 this week at Kroger. I bought it up at $2.99 rebate, so it makes it free, but it got sweeter for me. I had a $1 off Blinky coupon that I found at Kroger a couple weeks ago. It is no longer there, but I had it. So I paid $1.99, got back $2.99 for my Ibotta. I made $1 on this, which is awesome. Did the Starbucks again, and then the Viva, y'all. The Viva deal is nuts. I found $1.50 peelers at my store, so I'm going to go back and do this again. But I had a $1.75 coupon that Ulta sent me. I haven't seen Ulta on here in a while, so hopefully she still watches. If you're there, hi. Thank you again for all these coupons. Like 2 or 3 months ago, she sent me a $1.75 off Viva. It's $6.49. So that brought it down to like $4.74. I got back $1.50 from my Ibotta, so $3.24 for a 6-pack of Viva. In my book, is awesome, but I didn't pay $3.24 for all this stuff. Really didn't. Nowhere even close. And then the last deal I did today, did the Starbucks again with the Catalina, and it printed me out another $2 coupon, so I can go back and do it again, which hopefully we'll get another bonus on Monday, and I will. So Kroger had a great deal on the cereals. I got one of the Frosted Flakes, one of the Mini Wheats, and one of the Fruit Loops. They're on the weekend sale for $1.49. You have to load that 5X digital store coupon. It rings up as an SC, which is the same as any Kroger sale. So it makes them $1.49. So I bought 3 of them here because I was doing a bonus thing with this. But I had $1 off of 2 paper manufacturer coupon for the Kellogg's I used. Scanned just fine. My store did not care. She scanned it and it's fine. Corporate told me you absolutely can stack a manufacturer coupon with these weekend sales, but then some cashiers just don't get it. So it made 99 cents, $1.49. So $3.47, I think. Yeah. I got back like 45 cents, 50 cents, and 50 cents on Ibotta. There's also an extra $1 bonus if I did 3 Kellogg cereals together. And then I also got back $1.20 from Shopkick for the Frosted Flakes. Essentially, the cereal was really close to free, if not 100% free. I feel like it was like 50 cents for all 3 of them, which I'm hip with at the end of the day. So, total for all this stuff after rebates came to $6.30, which, my gosh, we didn't pay that, even though that's pretty good. So, we got back $4.66 from that happy birthday bonus. I know I said it's $7, but like I said, I knocked out 8 rebates the other day. Yeah. Sorry, I made a little mental note to help my grandma submit her rebates. I forgot to do that yesterday. So got back $4.66 from that bonus. I got back 27 cents from level 1. I prorate my bonuses out now. They made $1.37 for all this stuff. Now, I know there's some tracking for level 2, but my phone won't let me see that. So, I don't know. $1.37 for all this. For a pack of paper towels? That's insane alone. But all this other stuff, hair care, French fries, medicine, the coffee. I got 3 things of Starbucks, which retail for $9. Yeah, you can't complain about that. I'm thrilled with this total. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope I helped somebody out. Go get yourself some deals, and thank you so much for watching.